beard jelly.
Ooh. I look like an idiot.
I've heard so much about this product. I'm really excited to try it. I'm like a complete fan of BeardTube. I've been watching his videos for ages. I've practically seen every single video. And this is one of the products that he highly recommends, beard jelly. I got it. You can get them in loads of different like scents, but I decided I wanted to get the magic scent, which is no smell, because I've used argan oil and that fucking stinks. And I just don't want any sort of smells in my beard. I just want it sort of clean. Anyway, so you're meant to use this after a shower. So as you can see, I've still got driplets of hair in my beard, which I need to dry out. I don't like blow drying my beard. I've tried it once or twice and I just don't think it's very good for you. Fucking hell. It's all in my fucking mouth. Yeah, so make sure you got no drippy droppy fuckers.
A few moments later.
Beard jelly time. Apply evenly to beard and comb in for best results. Apply after washing with Bossman Intense Conditioner. I didn't use Bossman Intense Conditioner, but I did use conditioner. Yeah, there's a whole load of fucking ingredients here. Shea butter, avocado oil, cocoa seed butter, soybean oil, beeswax. The fuck is that? Beeswax. I'm about to put beeswax in my beard. The fuck? Anyway, castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil, what the fuck does that say? Tofferosol. Anyway, there's stuff here. Oh wait, is this scented? Whatever. You simply put a dollop of this shit in your hands. And when I say a dollop, I mean like a pea size or something like that. Don't make it easy to open, do they? No? Am I being silly? No, I'm not. Oh wait, do you know what I'm gonna do before I do this? I'm gonna open it just to make sure there isn't like... No, that's unscented. No, I was just making sure that it didn't have like a plastic thing on the top. I'd be squeezing like a mug. I'm just gonna test this out. I don't know if you can see. Ooh, what? Why does it come out the sides? Okay, fuck. That's probably more than that, but consistency wise, that feels really nice. That feels really nice. That's like yeah, that's something that you want to put in your beard. It's like Vaseline when you leave it in the sun for a long time. That's what that feels like. I don't know if that's too much, but we'll see. I'm just gonna like put it over my palms like that. I'm just gonna, oh, it has a little scent to it, like a vanilla extract. That's nice, that's nice.
And then I'm simply just gonna brush it in my beard like that. So I push it down like so, and then I go up like into the beard like that. So far,
I'm really liking this. Obviously it's my first time using it. It smells great. The texture, it goes in your beard really nicely. Smooth, it's not hard or anything like that. And the one thing that I really wanted, because I've run out of my argan oil, it's like fresh argan oil, like from a Moroccan village, which I got. It had a lot of shine, like it stunk. It's really good for you, fantastic. But it really stunk, like a fish and shit, because it's pure argan oil. There's no like scents or anything like that. But yeah, it's shiny as fuck. And that's something I didn't want to lose. And by the looks of it, it has that shine, because there are other ones that have like a rough look to it and not the shiny sort of thing with the other scents. But this one, it looks great. Beard jelly beard oil. Beard oil only lasts for a certain amount of time in your beard, so like a few hours. Beard jelly is meant to be like an in-between that and beard balm. Beard balm, which is like a strong hold for a long time. Beard jelly keeps that oily sort of feel which you saw, which you can still see on my hands actually. And it keeps it in the beard for a much longer time, so you can actually have it in for the whole day. Feels great, I can't lie. And then yeah, I end up just shaping it. But yeah, review of this bad boy so far is really fucking good. Apart from the dodgy top, which I find difficult to put on. Oh, it's not you push it down. That is really good. As you can see, it shines really nicely in the light. It has a nice subtle smell. It holds well by the looks of it. Definitely worth it. Unfortunately, because I'm not from America, I had to pay like stupid import fees and all of that stuff. So it cost me about 20 quid to get this bottle, but it does last a long time. It should last me for the rest of the year, if you only use a little bit. And I think I probably used too much, to be honest. I didn't actually need to use that much. If you're actually from America, I think you can get it cheaper for like $10, $15 or some shit like that. Help us out, please. Come on, help. We want cheaper thingies. I'm happy. That is good. That is really good. Overall, beard jelly, really good so far. I'll do another video after I've used it for like a month, and I'll probably combine that with the 6th month beard video that I'm gonna make into my year challenge. But